Well, no matter who you are, you've got to follow the law. But some Odessans think the Ector County Utility District is not doing that, and they want the courts to step in. Jason Freund was at the Ector County Commissioners Court meeting to learn more about this conflict. Jason, what are they saying?
Well, frankly, Crystal, they've said a lot at this meeting right now. So multiple citizens came to the court meeting today with a slew of issues, even bringing a petition with just over 400 signatures on it. They claim that the low water issues still remain in West Odessa, but the water taxes are still just as high. They also claim that ECUD isn't following their own bylaws.
It's an issue plaguing the people of West Odessa. Little to no water coming through the pipes.
These people out there, they don't have any water, you know. They don't have the luxury of going over and turning on the faucet, washing their hands or taking a bath. You know, if that tank out in the yard is not full or, you know, got water in it, they're out of luck.
And those same citizens are also claiming that they're getting hit with high taxes. They also say that since the year 2000, there has only been one election that people got to vote on.
We had one in 2022. There were problems with that because ECUD failed to give the elections office updated district boundaries. So the voting rosters were incorrect. So there were people that showed up to vote that weren't supposed to, and others that were not given that opportunity. It was a vast debacle. And those things have still not been remedied.
And as a taxing entity, the people are claiming that this is taxation without representation. Meanwhile, Ector County Judge Dustin Fawcett says that what ECUD did at a November 8th meeting violated state law.
Some of the things that they brought up was the Open Meetings Act violation that took place last week, where they put out an occupancy sign that was not put out by the Odessa Fire Marshal. They put out a arbitrary occupancy sign and then locked the public from entering into the building to attend a public meeting. That's a clear violation of the Open Meetings Act.
Fawcett agrees with the people, and he's already making a game plan to tackle this issue.
We are looking into what legally can the Commissioners Court do. And the way I read law is different than the way the county attorney reads law, which is different than what a separate attorney reads. And so we're trying to really come up with a game plan that doesn't open us up to lawsuit, that isn't something that is a negligible action. We care about rules.
And if you ask the citizens, they definitely want change. But what kind of change? Change that wipes the slate clean and brings in a more diverse board who will be transparent with the people.
I would love for them to get rid of the present board, ECUD board, and appoint somebody new that will give us transparency, give non-Anglos an opportunity to serve. We're willing. We're here. The diversity is here in this courtroom. It's obvious that we are concerned citizens.
Now, we have reached out to ECUD for a response regarding what was said at the meeting, but as of right now, we have not heard back from them.